Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be introducing to you an air fryer that you can use to fry your chicken, plantain, whatever you want to fry. It is very okay and nice. You can get this air fryer when you click on the link description section. So guys, make sure you watch this video, like, share and comment. Everyone who is cooking needs an air fryer to make your cooking faster. Okay guys, watch this video and see other air fryers. Thank you.
For though the struggle may be tough,